Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Nigerian puff puff in a simple way. So please, if you are new here on my channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button below, turn up the bell notification in case I upload a new video. You will be notified as soon as I upload a video. So if you want to know how to achieve this beautiful puff puff, please don't forget to watch this video to the end, like, comment. So without wasting much of your time, let's just jump into the video.
So guys, this is all my ingredients I will be using for the Nigeria puff puff. Here with me I have my yeast, I also have my nutmeg, and I also have my flour, my sugar, and my baking powder, so my salt and my bowl. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix my yeast aside first, so it will get soft a little bit before I use it. So I'm just going to mix my yeast right now. I just finished mixing my yeast now, so I'm going with my flour, so if you like to measure your flour, you can measure it. Now I'm going with my sugar. So if you like to measure your flour, you can measure it, but for me, I'm at home, I don't want to use it for anything, so I just want to eat it, so I don't measure, I don't filter. So if you like to filter, you can filter. So I'm just going with my baking powder and a little bit of salt, not too much, so a little bit of salt. I'm going with my nutmeg. I just finished adding all the ingredients, so I'm just going to mix it. So going with my water, so my dough is too strong, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. So just going to mix it very well. So I'm just going to add my yeast to my dough now. Just going to
quick one, guys. So the name is in Italy is lievito. So we have two type of lievito in Italy. One is dried and one is a little bit mold like butter. Just in case you went to the supermarket and you find it difficult to have that lievito, the one that is mold, just go to the seller and ask the seller. So the seller will direct you. The lievito stays inside the fridge, always inside the fridge, so you don't make a mistake to go and buy the dry one to make your puff puff. My dear, it will not work for you. The dry one will not work for you, so please do not make that mistake.
I just finished mixing my puff puff, so I'm just going to cover and leave it outside like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So please, if you want to leave this dough, you have to leave it in a place that is hot a little bit, not oven, no, but you can put it inside the oven when there is not on. So I'm just going to leave it outside so like 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, this is after 20 to 30 minutes I leave it, so you can see it's already right. So I want to fry my puff puff right now. So guys, I'm just going to fry my puff puff. So please do not let your gas to be hot. Your gas have to be low a little bit, so your puff puff will not get burned. Alright guys, Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. and I hope you learned something from this video. So please consider subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below, give me my thumbs up. So guys, this is all for this video. See you on my next video.